Next problem. Obtain the equation of the lines of regression and obtain the estimate of y. We should correspond to an average to x is equal to 6.2. So they have given x and y data. So first make the table. First write x values in first column, y values in the second column. Adding all x values 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 etc. up to 9, you will get summation x, that is equal to 45. Adding all the numbers in y, 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus etc. So you will get summation y is equal to 108. Then find x bar and y bar, mean, right? So here n is equal to 9, x bar we know, so summation x by n, so 45 by 9, that is equal to 5. Similarly, y bar is equal to summation y by n, so 108 by 9, that is equal to 60. So third column we are going to x minus x bar. Subtract 5, x bar is 5, x minus 5, right? So we have to subtract 5 from each number in x, right? 1 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, etc. So you will get third column minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. And similarly, subtract y bar, that is 16, from each number in y, second column. So 9 minus 16, 8 minus 16, 10 minus 16, etc. So you will get minus 7 minus 8 minus 6, that is the fourth column, y minus y bar. Then squaring the second column, you will get x minus x bar square. Squaring each number in the second column, minus 4 square 16, minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, etc. So adding all the numbers in that column, fourth column, 16 plus 9 plus 4, that is summation x minus x bar square, that is equal to 44. Similarly, squaring the fourth column, 4 square, so you will get the fifth column. So sixth column, y minus y bar square, so minus 7 square 49, minus 8 square 64, etc. So adding all the numbers, you will get summation y minus y bar square is equal to 204. Then multiply third and fourth column, so 3 into 4, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So minus 4 into minus 7, minus 3 into minus 8, so 28, 24, 12, etc. That is the last column. Adding all the numbers, you will get summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is equal to 57. So we know the formula. First we are going to find regression coefficients. So y on x, regression coefficient y on x, byx. Formula summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by summation x minus x bar square. From the table substitute the values, so 57 by 44, that is equal to 1.3. Similarly, next coefficient, regression coefficient x on y. So bxy is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by summation y minus y bar square. So from the table, 57 by 204, that is equal to 0.28. Next we are going to find regression lines. So first regression line y on x, y minus y bar is equal to byx, x minus x bar. We know the value of x bar, y bar, byx. Substitute the value and simplify, right? Keeping y one side and remaining terms on the other side of the equality, right? So you will get y is equal to the 1.3x plus 11.25, that is equation number 1. Similarly, find the regression line x on y. X on y, x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Substitute the values so keeping x one side and remaining terms on the other side of the equality. So you will get, so x is equal to 0.28y minus 0.52, that is equation number 2. Now we have to estimate y corresponding to the value of x is equal to 6.2. When x is equal to 6.2, what is the value of y? So substitute x is equal to 6.2 in equation number 1. So y is equal to 1.3 into 6.2 plus 11.25, that is equal to 19.31. Next problem. So this problem is using least square method. Obtain the equation of regression from the following data using method of least square, and find the coefficient of correlation between x and y. Also estimate the value of one y when x is equal to 38, second one x value when y is equal to 18. So given data, so first make the table. Here n is equal to 8, right? table. First write x values in the first column, y values in the second column. Adding all the numbers in x, you will get summation x, that is equal to 236. Adding all the numbers in y, so you will get summation y, that is equal to 199. Then multiply x in and y, 20 into 20, 26 into 20, you will get the third column, x into y, 400, 520, etc., etc. So adding all the numbers in that third column, you will get summation xy, that is equal to 5983. Then squaring the first column, that is x column, then you will get x square, 20 square, 26 square. So you will get 400, 676, etc., etc. So adding all the numbers in that column, you will get summation x square, that is equal to 7120. Similarly, squaring the second column, that is y square. Squaring y column, so you will get y square, second column square. So squaring each number in the second column, 20 square, 20 square, 21 square, etc., etc. So you will get 400, 400, 441, etc., etc. So summation y square is equal to 5077. So here first we are going to find the mean of x. X bar is equal to summation x by n. So 236 by 8, that is equal to 29.5. Similarly, y bar is equal to summation y by n, which is equal to 199 by 8, that is equal to 24.875. So find first we are going to find the regression line y on x. So y on x, so we are using least square method. So y is equal to a plus bx. So we need to know the value of a and b. So this is equation 1. So first to find a and b, so first we need to find the normal equation of a. So normal equation, we know summation y is equal to n into a plus b into x, so summation x. Substitute the value from the table, 199, which is equal to 8a plus 236b. So writing it in the standard form of equation, 8a plus 236b minus 199 equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Next you have to write the normal equation for b. Summation xy plus equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Substitute the values from the table. So you will get 5983, which is equal to 236a plus 7120b. So this is 236a plus 7120b minus 5983 equal to 0. That is equation number 3. So we have to find the value of a and b to solve the equation 2 and 3, right? Solving 2 and 3. So you can use any method, right? So I am using cross multiplication method. So write the coefficients from 2. First you have to write the coefficient of b, 236. Then you have to go to constant term, right? It will be like this. From the center you have to start right side, then you have to come to the left side, the first term, right? 236 minus 199, 8, then 236, starting point. Similarly, from third equation you have to write that. So first coefficient of b, 7120 minus 5983 constant term, then coefficient of a, 236, then coefficient of b, 7120. So that is a, this is b, this is 1, right? So we are going to find a equal to, so first you have to cross multiply the numbers under a. So 236 into minus 5983, right? This way, right? Then minus of 7120 into minus 199, right? That number. So whole divided by, so you have to come to the last one, 1, right? Under the numbers under 1. So same thing you have to do, cross multiply 8 into 7120, write the number. Then minus 236 into 236. You have to put minus whenever you are doing the reverse multiplication, right? 236 into 236 minus 55696. After simplification you will get 3.870, right? Next you have to find b. So similarly take the numbers under b. So same process. So minus 199 into 236 first, then minus, right? You have to put minus 5983 into 8. So you will get minus of minus 47864 whole divided by, you have to write the same. So a same multiplication under the number 1, right? 8 into 7120 minus 236 into 236, same number. After simplification you will get 0.7120. Therefore, substituting the values a and b in 1, you will get the equation, right? The regression line y on x is given by y is equal to a plus bx, y is equal to 3.870 plus 0.7120x. That is equation number 4. So here regression coefficient y on x is given by, now next we are going to find regression coefficient, that is byx, right? Formula, right? That is coefficient of x, right? In the previous equation, right? In the fourth equation. So you write the number nearby x. Next we find the regression line x on y. So formula is x is equal to c plus dy. So that is equation number 5. So next to find the value of c and d. So for that first you have to write the normal equation, right, of c. So summation x, which is equal to nc plus d into sigma y. Substitute the values and simplification, you will get 8c plus 199d minus 236 equal to 0. That is equation number 6. Then normal equation of d, summation xy, which is equal to c summation y plus d summation y square. Substitute the values from the table. So after simplification you will get 199c plus 5077d minus 5983 equal to 0. Seventh equation. So solving 6 and 7, you will get the value of c and d. So again we are using the cross multiplication method. So from the sixth equation, write the coefficients 199 minus 236, 8, 199. From the 7, equation 7, 5077 minus 5983, 199, 5077. Then do the cross multiplication. C is equal to, right, CD1. C is equal to, so cross multiply and minus the second number divided by, so multiply numbers under 1, 8 into 5077 minus 199 into 199. So after simplification you will get c is equal to 7.4433. Similarly d is equal to, so multiply numbers under d, minus 236 into 199 minus 5983 into 8 whole divided by, so 8 into 5070 minus 199 into 199. So simplification. After the simplification you will get 0.8867. Substitute the values in equation 5. So you will get regression line x and y. So x is equal to 7.4433 plus 0.8867. So regression coefficient x on y, right, bxy is the coefficient of y, right? The equation 8, that is 0.8867. Next you have to find the correlation. We know regression coefficient, relation between correlation and regression coefficient. R is equal to root of byx into bxy. So we know the values of byx and bxy. Substitute the value 0.7120 into 0.8867. So you will get 0.8914. So to find y when x is equal to 38, put x is equal to 38 in equation number 4. So y is equal to 0.7120 into 48 plus 3.8703. So 38.0463. Second one, when to find x when y is equal to 18. Put y is equal to 18 in equation number 8. So x is equal to 0.8867 into 18 plus 7.4433. So you will get 23.4039. Thanks.